Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. Today we are return on our Microsoft course of engineering, undergraduate and master's virtual internship platform. And here we are going to solve remaining modules, that is from 3rd to 6th. And what is the benefits of doing this internship, you can see on your screen. We are moving on the third module, that is, and this is the first one. Welcome to your virtual experience, which answers I uploaded. And next is preparing for your virtual experience. This answer is also uploaded. And now we are going to solve all the modules in this video. Firstly, we go through the third, campus to corporate business foundation skills. And now we are going for the task. There are two tasks here. Just tap on first. Get to know Microsoft values, respect, integrity and accountability. And here we are moving toward the task. What is the task? Firstly, instructor video. You can see or watch the instructions from here, and here is your background information. Here we hope you enjoyed the video above by Kshitiz Gopal. Kshitiz is a specialist sales lead, and here is your task. Look at the information provided in the resources section below to understand the values in action. So here are the resources, values, information. You can download and read it. And after that there is a video, you can watch it just tapping on this. And after that there is a template. This template contains questions as well as the format in which you have to answer. And here we are going to upload our first task of this module third. And here by tapping on upload video, upload word, just tap on that. And here is the module 3 task, and on tapping on that, here upload is successful. Now we are tapping on mark as complete, and here it is uploading. Firstly a congratulations message, and after that we have to rate the course, and here we are going to rate it. Firstly, there's many options here. You can directly jump to the second task, and here firstly you have to rate. Just tap on any stars, and after submission of this we are on the next task, that is task number 2 of the third module. And here is exploring Microsoft commitment and approach to putting values into action. So we are going to solve this. Get your instructions from your supervisor. Firstly an instruction video, you can watch it. And also after that there is background information of our task. It is also by Kshitiz Gopal. You can also see that. And here is your task. There is 5 sections here: innovation, diversity and inclusion, corporate social responsibility, artificial intelligence and trustworthy computing. So there are 5 sections. For this you have to write a short notes on that. Here is the resource, Microsoft company values. You can just tap on that and you can see what is the values we on Microsoft company. And here is the template. In this you get a format in which you have to put the answers. I put all the links all from module 3 to module 6, all the task answers in the description. You just tap on the links, download the task and just upload it. You easily complete all the tasks and able to generate your certificate in only 5 minutes. Also for first and second module you can go through my previous 2 videos on this. And here we are uploading this work also, and we get the congratulations message. Here congratulations on completing the task. And after that we have to rate. You can see more information about that. And after that you have to rate. Firstly I just add the 5 stars, and after that I submit it. When you submit, there's a notification submit successfully. Now we are on the task 3. Now we are going for this. So you can also do like this. Here is my certificate. I easily generate my certificate. Thanks for watching friends.